Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GHFM Ben Bruce. Baby, I will be am in check as na Emma. Otumfour Asante Hene, Ote Kokoso. Sabi Okasa, me my friend no, Otumfour tikesi because I drink one one trim. Wakasembi. Na me, minim so provided the solution to what Galamsey. Be cry na politicians no mo nwen sa. King Solomon adwene ye de ma Solomon me sure so Otumfour e so na se nyame ma me adwen. Because not gaining your more cano beyond what me I have seen. When you got here Otumfour tikesi amra yeba to aso.
Concession, I said, Madame, and Crawford, Matthias and Crawford, where Galamsey was Miss Winimo. So near call. Concessions we had the amount of Cocra may say, and Crawford Baby, as where Galamsey was. So. Na metie no kakaso wo hina ye Galamsey me de miswi nim hokra so opam wo mu a yesi no mo kwa opam wo mu a no mo kwa so e wo si ehunu kwan e be frɛ ni nyina ya announcement obi anyai empanyimfo na de wo mu ko ho ye mpe wo mu obi anso o me report so en list wo mu nyina di so no ni ese Minerals Commission for Survey Department for Geological Survey for so count. So I am woman say honey, and a year. Ebi had a year, a be. So ye free woman small scale mining for any woman, as in a had a locate yama. Near supervisor. So then Colane good forestry in a true mako penny way na water man, not my. So he too good no so I a chiaka no muswenya, not by swenya go. So now see a chair woman coin a dear mine. So, the answer is you uncle. Ye forestry, uncle. So, as a cassie a palm woman, one because and then the edge my banny and yet. So, yet Momu who said Munjai and non and say if you are saying Mumbra, near baby, near who concession ya. Minerals Commission phone in baby, geological survey. So, and I pay back also cover exploration now, Modeman. And also a the Galamsey no never. So, so muye na ye one shop near Kaze. Survey Department ne Minerals Commission na Geological ya hwa ya hu am say deposit na wo hampa. So near my license na se fa kwa. Na de wo na ka se nko exploration there. Wona na ho tutu a mehwe no pa ye Galamsey no. So why mona mo te ho brofo de na me de sa na hu no. So exploration near that near two year two. So and also you must come. So that's we are next China and be able to the corner here. Yes, so here. So I should be in a dana so I'm paying for a brown or quite by first when you in WhatsApp and I see when you mean a year surveying. A geological survey for the
Wakasa a simple but very laudable idea. Number one, to ban something illegal, make it legal. To ban something illegal, make it legal. Son of Pache. It means that Galamsey a what? An illegal form of what? Mining. So how do you make it legal? Because at the end of the day, no. Obi a when Galamsey that we're testing the money of the mines. Me mako mining weda. Ube who obi not dami asi obo owo 100,000, 200,000 than them. This ye turn aboard no or no turn the crap fool. We're testing ska. So this person, if you want to move him out of Galamsey, it's not by gun. It's by making sure say, okay, we Galamsey bra. Me no ma be say. I had one to be him. I had now betu. Now want to create a major tax for her. Make sure I can power betu because my whole video in the US. I said be almost to Galamsey and will ensure one ensure clean. So it can be done. If the government is serious about doing it, it is possible unless we are not. It's Otumfour your patch say give the boys job. Let them mine mined in civilized way. At the same time, government to get money because say Galamsey no more yen government yenya he. Meanwhile, almost says you know, by your synthesizer no. Na sabi yet say ade na baba no emra da ho. Untimi ya de o jail you. Ya formi kuo obi ahwe ni nua se won konsuo ne ho nsuo mientu gold wo ho yetu wo ho ehun no go ya how do you do it ya chom ye ya banning the foreigners from coming in. Ghana will be great again and what the money, the jobs, and at the same time we safeguard what our rivers. This is a man talking. Otumfour no aka nyansasem no eti politicians mo fa nyansasem ne nya adwuma. And yes, I know see yeah, but just aside because for 8 years, you were for to try with the guns, it didn't work. Yen na men kamo yaw Major Mahama, ye kunyaya for no reason. The mafia in it, no, if you turn the boys against them, they'll lose the battle. How do you turn the boys against them? It's making sure say you make the thing very legal. Assassinating a government, I mean, I remember assassin. So the kingpins are cut off. If possible, get them near more on the bed, take tax from them. Use it to what? Pay your machinery. It's not sensible. It is. I expose GHFM members. Also subscribe. Yeah, the two panels I can be manuasi.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.